I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always felt that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step a foot in their sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now this pickup is a birthday pickup. Alright, last Sunday, 1 week ago, was my birthday, and my wife got me this pair of shoes for my birthday. So let's go ahead and bring them in. You guys are gonna know what they are instantly by the box. All right, but boom, here we are. Okay, got these off of the Sneakers app. Hit on the Sneakers app, so retail purchase here. And these are the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, okay? And the colorway is white, university red, and black, all right? So let's go ahead and get into these, man. Let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Very clean, very clean. Happy birthday to me. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. These are the Heritage colorway. This is the Heritage colorway. And I must say, these are very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Pretty decent quality. Pretty decent quality here. Not bad at all. The red leather going around the shoe is where you see the good quality. That's the best quality here. The white leather is kind of soft, especially around here, but it's not the softest. But it's also not the worst. I've had some Jordan 1s that are just super stiff around here. This is a little soft, but it's not that super soft leather. But it's not bad at all. Not bad at all. So definitely the Chicago Bulls colorways here is like a different take on the typical Jordan 1s and those Chicago Bulls colorways that you normally see. But these aren't bad at all, man. These are not bad at all. They come with an additional pair of red laces here and an additional pair of white laces. And in the shoe already, there are the black laces. Okay. As of right now, I think I leave the black laces in. I think you got to hit them with the black on these. Alright. Here's your Wings logo there at the top in black. Black around the collar. And in the back, nice leather here. That leather is nice. It's nice and soft around the collar, as it should be. Nike Air on the tongue, and black and red with the white tongue. Alright. And on the inside here, you have your white insole with your red and white Nike Air. Okay. On the bottom of the shoe, all red with the white midsole here. All right, very nice shoe, very clean shoe. Glad that I was able to get these and that my wife was able to buy them for me. I ultimately won on sneakers. She just paid for it. She paid for it. She said, "Happy birthday. I'll buy those for you." So that's how that works. But I wanted to bring these in. These are the Jordan 1 and the electric orange colorway. Something about these heritage ones remind me of this shoe. I don't know why. I don't know why, but when I got these, it just reminded me of this shoe. Maybe it's the orange. Maybe it's the orange. I don't know. But this is the one that it just reminds me of when I grabbed this one, because I don't really have any that are like this in any other colorway. Let me see. Maybe I'm wrong here. Maybe I do have one more. Would this be a better match? Because they both have the toe box in different colors. With this, you got the blue. Nah, but see, this is black. This is black in the back here. Not a far off match though. Not far off. But I don't know. Something about that electric orange really is, you know, it reminded me of it. I'm probably off in that assumption. But anyway, I just wanted to bring these to you and show you all that I did have them. I was able to hit on the sneakers app for these. And that's it, man. Happy birthday to me. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.